we're going to start by drawing a big semicircle above our heads with our hands while getting into the opening. As we have mentioned, make sure to end the previous part close to each other, with the man standing on his right leg and the lady standing on her left leg. Bend your knees slightly first, then while straightening your legs, raise your hands above your heads, then shift your weights away from each other. The hand draws a big semicircle in the air. We want this motion to start from your legs. Use your entire body like you're trying to reach as high as you can. Keep your legs active and elastic to make this motion continuous and fluent. Notice also that we're going to start with the man's right hand on the lady's back, and only when you start moving away from each other, the hand grabs the lady's hand. Let's move on, starting with the lady's perspective. Rotate counterclockwise in front of the man. Take 4 steps, start with the left leg and left, right, left, right. With this step, place your right hand in the man's left hand, bend your knee slightly and go into the opening with the side step. To the left, with this step, draw a big semicircle with your hand again. Remember to keep your back straight and engage your core during the rotation. Now, the man's perspective, your job is to help the lady with the rotation. After the opening, use your right hand to gently pull the lady and lead her in front of you, not onto you. First, pull with your right hand, then draw a small circle in the air to initiate the lady's rotation and let go right away. Don't overdo it, it's just an impulse. It's very important to shift your weight to the right leg at the same time. Ladies rotating, back to the left leg with your body weight, grab the lady's hand, and again symmetrically go into the opening while drawing the semicircle. 1, 2, 3, 2. 2, 3, 3, 2, 3,